We are working on a new solution for Ferrari 458. So this is our Ferrari 458. Again, it's used as a test. And this is the original rear light we are using. Some people like a lot the Ferrari 458 is because Ferrari 458 is the last aspirated engine made by Ferrari. So it's an iconic vehicle. And although the success of the Ferrari 488 is very beautiful and powerful on its own right, a lot of people still like to stick with the classic 458. However, some parts of the 458 still should use some kind of update. For example, the rear lights. So the solution I'm telling you about today is the rear lights upgrade solution. Now we have a 458 original light, and on the other side over here we mounted a 488 aftermarket light. So this light is based on the original design of the 488 light, and it works exactly the same like the original one. And it is made to fit Ferrari 458 specifically. So today we are going to discuss how this solution works and how complicated it is to install, and most importantly, how it looks like. Let's see. So how to remove the light? First of all, we need to remove the wheel over here, and then we need to get access to this part. Once we can remove this part, then we will find under over here, we will find the 3 screws. After we remove the 3 screws, we can get access to the light. We can remove the light. Then it's just a pull it out.
Let's remove the wheel first. Then remove the 3 screws over here. 1, 2, and 3. Then we can remove the mud guard. Now let's remove the screws, and then we can immediately take off the light
and remove the connector. In this case we already did the job, so you will see on the other side over here how it looks like. So this is the connector which comes from the car and gets to the light, and these are the 3 screws which hold the light together. So let me show you. This is the light we are going to install. This is left side. We have 3 screws, so it will be mounted like this, and this connector over here. Now, in order to test only if the light works, the thing we should do instead of installing everything is just to connect the connector and see if everything works. And then if we are happy with the result, we can screw it down and make the installation complete. Connector is the same like original, so it will fit. Once it clicks like this, we did the job. Let's just attach it over here for a minute. So now we are comparing the white 488 light with the black 488 light. As you see, this is the main difference in the center, and over here in the nearby area it's also slightly less lucid. So we tried the white one, now we're going to try the black one and see what's the difference. The installation method is the same. The back is exactly the same. If this is connected, it will be in sport mode. If this is disconnected, it will be the original 488 style light. First of all, lights on. Direction lights. Emergency light. Start.